Man, I'm bored. I wonder what I should do. I know something. I go place Beehive in my parents' room. Hi 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 hi.
Good, let's go.
Alright, let's do this. There, let's scram.
Alright Michelle, let's get ready for our honeymoon.
Alright.
Huh, what's fucking buzzing in here? Holy fuck, there's bees in the room, let's get out.
Oh shit.
Phew, made it out safely.
Yep, who even potted a beehive in the bedroom?
I think I know who. David, explain this.
Yes, Dad.
David, did you put a beehive in me and your mom's room? Tell me now.
Yes.
Oh my fucking god, David. How motherfucking dare you put a beehive in me and your mom's room? That is so fucking it. You are motherfucking grounded for life. And it's time for your slumber beating.
Oh fuck no, not the slumber beatings.
Too bad. Yo ass is mine.
My ass hurts.
I don't fucking care, that's what you get for doing bad stuff all the time. Now go to your motherfucking room now. You cunt.
Hey, stop fucking laughing and cheering, it's not fucking funny. God damn it, I hate my fucking life so much.
No 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 no.
Me, I am grounded, and I love penis, and my motherfucking ass, and love to suck both of them every day and every night 24/7. Me.
David. Shut the fuck up.